Picture a barn so massive that it could house an entire football stadium inside with room to spare. While you're proud of your backyard shed or small barn, there are agricultural structures so enormous they redefine what we think is possible in farm construction. These aren't just big barns. They're architectural marvels that push the boundaries of engineering while serving the most practical farming purposes. What you're about to discover will make you realize that modern agriculture requires buildings on a scale that would amaze even the greatest architects in history. Barn number 5, Fair Oaks Farms Dairy Barn, Indiana, USA. Let's start close to home with Fair Oaks Farms in Indiana, where they've built what might be America's most impressive dairy barn complex. This massive facility spans over 400,000 square feet under a single roof, housing 4,000 dairy cows in climate-controlled comfort that rivals luxury hotels. The barn is so large that it requires its own zip code and employs over 200 people just to manage daily operations. What makes Fair Oaks truly remarkable is its integration of cutting-edge technology with traditional dairy farming. The barn features automated milking systems that can handle 300 cows per hour, computer-controlled feeding systems that deliver precisely calculated nutrition to each animal, and environmental controls that maintain perfect temperature and humidity regardless of Indiana's changing weather. The barn's design incorporates sustainable features that would impress any environmentalist. Solar panels covering acres of roof space, methane capture systems that convert cow waste into electricity, and water recycling systems that minimize environmental impact. The facility produces enough renewable energy to power the entire operation while generating surplus electricity for the local grid. But perhaps most impressive is the barn's visitor center and educational facilities, which welcome over 500,000 tourists annually. This massive structure proves that modern American agriculture can combine efficiency, sustainability, and public education in buildings that showcase the best of farming innovation while maintaining the highest standards of animal welfare. The barn's construction required over 15,000 tons of steel and 50,000 cubic yards of concrete, making it one of the largest agricultural construction projects in American history. The facility's advanced ventilation system moves enough air every hour to fill a football stadium, while its computerized monitoring systems track over 50,000 data points daily to optimize cow comfort and milk production across the massive facility. Barn number 6, Rott's Dairy Barn, Pennsylvania, USA. In the heart of Pennsylvania's Amish country sits the Rotts family's revolutionary dairy barn, a 350,000 square foot marvel that combines traditional farming values with space-age technology. This massive structure houses 3,500 dairy cows while incorporating design elements that maximize both animal comfort and operational efficiency on a scale that would make corporate farms envious. The Rotts barn features a unique freestall design that allows cows to move freely throughout the facility while maintaining optimal conditions for milk production. The barn's ventilation system moves over 2 million cubic feet of air per minute, ensuring perfect air quality throughout the massive structure. Computer-controlled curtains automatically adjust to weather conditions, maintaining ideal temperatures year-round. What makes the Rotts operation truly extraordinary is its commitment to sustainability within such a massive structure. The barn incorporates a methane digester that converts cow waste into enough electricity to power 300 homes, while advanced water treatment systems ensure that no waste leaves the property. The facility also features its own feed processing center, reducing transportation costs and ensuring optimal nutrition. The barn's milking parlor can handle 500 cows per hour, using robotic systems that monitor each animal's health and production. This combination of scale and technology allows the Rotz family to maintain the personal touch of traditional farming while operating one of the most efficient dairy facilities in America. The facility's innovative design includes a unique sand recycling system that processes over 100 tons of bedding material daily, while automated feed pushers ensure that cows have access to fresh feed 24 hours a day. The barn's sophisticated fire suppression system uses misting technology specifically designed for agricultural environments, protecting both animals and equipment in this massive wooden structure that represents a perfect blend of traditional construction and modern innovation. Barn number 5, Godsudan Farms Barn, Iowa, USA. Iowa's Godsudan Farms operates what might be the most technologically advanced swine facility on Earth, housed in a complex of interconnected barns covering over 500,000 square feet. This massive operation can house 25,000 pigs while maintaining environmental controls that would be impressive in a pharmaceutical manufacturing facility. The barn complex features multiple climate zones, each optimized for different stages of pig development. Farrowing areas maintain precise temperature and humidity for newborn piglets, while finishing areas provide optimal conditions for market-ready animals. The entire facility is monitored by computer systems that track everything from individual animal health to feed conversion ratios. What makes Godsudan truly remarkable is its waste management system, which processes over 50,000 gallons of liquid waste daily, while generating enough biogas to power the entire operation. The facility's anaerobic digesters convert pig waste into renewable energy while producing high-quality fertilizer for crop production. The barn's design incorporates advanced biosecurity measures that prevent disease transmission while maintaining optimal animal welfare standards. Automated feeding systems deliver precisely calculated nutrition to each pen, while robotic cleaning systems maintain sanitary conditions throughout the massive facility. This integration of technology and animal husbandry represents the future of sustainable livestock production. The facility's air filtration system processes over 10 million cubic feet of air per hour through advanced scrubbing technology that removes 99% of odors and particulates before releasing air to the environment. The barn's automated sorting systems can process over 1,000 pigs per hour during shipping, using RFID technology to track each animal's weight, health status, and production history throughout its time in the facility. Barn number 4, Larsson Acres Dairy Complex, Washington State. In Washington's Columbia River Valley, Larsson Acres operates a dairy complex that spans over 600,000 square feet, housing 6,000 dairy cows in what might be the most environmentally advanced barn system in North America. This massive facility incorporates renewable energy systems, water recycling technology, and waste management innovations that have made it a model for sustainable large-scale dairy operations. The barn complex features a unique design that maximizes natural ventilation while providing protection from Washington's variable weather. Automated curtain systems respond to wind speed and direction, maintaining optimal air quality throughout the facility. The barn's milking parlor operates 20 hours per day, processing over 200,000 pounds of milk daily, using robotic systems that monitor cow health and milk quality. What makes Larsson Acres truly extraordinary is its integration with crop production. The facility operates its own feed mill and grows much of its own feed on surrounding farmland. Liquid waste from the dairy is processed through advanced treatment systems before being used to irrigate crops, creating a closed-loop system that minimizes environmental impact. The barn's renewable energy systems include solar panels, wind turbines, and methane digesters that generate more electricity than the facility consumes. This surplus energy is sold back to the grid, making the barn not just carbon neutral, but actually carbon negative. The facility demonstrates that massive scale agriculture can be both profitable and environmentally responsible. The complex's innovative cooling system uses geothermal technology to maintain optimal temperatures while reducing energy consumption by 40% compared to conventional systems. The facility's automated health monitoring systems use thermal imaging and activity sensors to detect illness in individual cows up to 48 hours before visible symptoms appear, allowing for early intervention that improves both animal welfare and production efficiency across the massive herd. Barn number 3, Riverview Dairy Barn, Minnesota. Minnesota's Riverview Dairy operates what might be the most impressive single-structure barn in America, a massive 750,000 square foot facility that houses 4,800 dairy cows under one continuous roof. This enormous structure is so large that it has its own weather patterns inside, requiring sophisticated climate control systems to maintain optimal conditions throughout the facility. The barn features a revolutionary sand-bedded freestall system that provides maximum comfort for cows while maintaining sanitary conditions. The facility uses over 2,000 tons of sand annually for bedding, which is continuously recycled through washing and separation systems. Automated alley scrapers and robotic bedding systems maintain cleanliness throughout the massive structure. What makes Riverview truly remarkable is its advanced waste management system, which processes over 400,000 gallons of liquid manure daily. The facility's anaerobic digesters generate enough electricity to power 1,000 homes while producing high-quality fertilizer for crop production. The barn also features its own water treatment plant, ensuring that all water leaving the facility meets drinking water standards. The barn's milking system can handle 400 cows per hour using parallel parlors that operate continuously. Computer systems monitor each cow's production, health, and breeding status, allowing managers to optimize performance across the entire herd. This combination of scale and technology has made Riverview one of the most efficient dairy operations in the world. The facility's massive roof structure required innovative engineering solutions, including a network of steel trusses that span over 300 feet without interior support columns, creating an unobstructed space that allows for maximum flexibility in barn layout and cow movement. The barn's lightning protection system includes over 200 lightning rods and a sophisticated grounding network that protects both animals and equipment in this massive structure that rises over 60 feet above the Minnesota prairie. Barn number 2, 3 Mile Canyon Farms, Oregon. Oregon's 3 Mile Canyon Farms operates a barn complex that covers over 1.2 million square feet, making it one of the largest agricultural structures ever built. This massive facility houses 30,000 dairy cows across multiple interconnected barns while incorporating sustainable technologies that have made it a model for environmentally responsible, large-scale agriculture. The barn complex features a unique design that takes advantage of Oregon's climate, using natural ventilation systems that reduce energy consumption while maintaining optimal conditions for milk production. The facility's milking parlors operate 24 hours per day, processing over 1 million pounds of milk daily using automated systems that require minimal human intervention. What makes 3 Mile Canyon truly extraordinary is its integration of dairy and crop production on an unprecedented scale. The facility operates its own feed mill, grain storage, and crop production systems, growing much of its own feed on 93,000 acres of surrounding farmland. This integration allows the operation to control feed quality and costs while minimizing transportation impacts. The barn's waste management system is equally impressive, processing over 1.5 million gallons of liquid waste daily through advanced treatment systems. The facility's anaerobic digesters generate enough renewable energy to power 5,000 homes while producing organic fertilizer that supports crop production. This closed-loop system demonstrates that massive-scale agriculture can be both profitable and sustainable. The complex's revolutionary design includes a network of underground tunnels that connect all barn facilities, allowing for climate-controlled movement of feed, equipment, and personnel, regardless of weather conditions. The facility's advanced fire suppression system uses a combination of sprinklers, foam systems, and automated smoke evacuation that can protect the entire 1.2 million square feet of barn space, while its backup power systems include multiple diesel generators capable of maintaining full operations for up to 72 hours during power outages. Barn number 1, Modern Dairy Facilities Complex, California. At the top of our list sits California's Modern Dairy Facilities Complex, a mind-blowing 2.1 million square foot barn system that houses 50,000 dairy cows across multiple interconnected structures. This massive complex is so large that it can be seen from space and operates like a small city dedicated entirely to milk production. The complex features the most advanced dairy technology available anywhere in the world, including robotic milking systems that can handle 2,000 cows per hour, automated feeding systems that deliver precisely calculated nutrition to each animal, and environmental controls that maintain perfect conditions throughout the massive facility. The barn's computer systems monitor over 100,000 data points daily, optimizing everything from feed conversion to milk quality. What makes this complex truly extraordinary is its complete integration of all aspects of dairy production. The facility operates its own feed mills, grain storage, processing plants, and packaging facilities. This vertical integration allows the operation to control every aspect of production from feed to finished products, ensuring quality while maximizing efficiency on an unprecedented scale. The complex's environmental systems are equally impressive, featuring the world's largest agricultural methane capture system that generates enough renewable energy to power 15,000 homes. Advanced water treatment systems ensure that all water leaving the facility exceeds drinking water standards, while waste heat recovery systems minimize energy consumption. This massive facility proves that large-scale agriculture can be both incredibly productive and environmentally responsible. The facility's construction required over 75,000 tons of steel and 200,000 cubic yards of concrete, making it one of the largest construction projects in California agricultural history. The complex's sophisticated logistics system includes automated guided vehicles that transport feed and supplies throughout the facility, while its central command center uses artificial intelligence to coordinate all operations across the 2.1 million square feet of barn space, processing over 3 million pounds of milk daily while maintaining the highest standards of quality and animal welfare. These 7 massive barns prove that modern agriculture requires buildings on scales that would have been impossible to imagine just a generation ago. From American dairy complexes larger than shopping malls to integrated facilities that operate like small cities, these structures represent the cutting edge of agricultural engineering and the incredible innovation required to feed our growing world efficiently and sustainably. While your farm buildings serve important purposes, these massive barns remind us that feeding the planet requires thinking on scales that challenge everything we thought we knew about agricultural construction and design. If you're fascinated by the incredible world of large-scale agricultural facilities and want to learn more about how modern farming really works, make sure to subscribe for more mind-blowing facts about the structures and systems that keep our world fed. And don't miss the next video on your screen where I reveal even more shocking truths about modern agriculture that will change how you think about farming forever.